How to convert multiple stereo audio to mono with Audacity. To begin, I imported this stereo audio and I want to convert it to mono. Just click on the track name, and from the drop-down select Split Stereo to Mono. Then remove the second track. Now we have a mono track. Just go to File, Export Audio. Set a name, location, and format for it, and click on Export button. Now let's delete this track and use a way to convert multiple stereo audio to mono audio. First, go to Edit, Preferences. Under Directories section, click on Browse button next to Macro Output. Navigate to the location you want to export your audio and click on Select Folder. Now from Tools menu, select Macro Manager. Click on New button and enter a name for the macro. Select the macro and click on Insert button. Click on any of the commands and search for stereo. Select stereo to mono and click OK. Now click on the end and then click on Insert button to insert a command before the end. Search for export, select Export as Wave, and click OK. At last, save this macro. Now select the macro and click on Files. Navigate to the location where you stored your stereo files and choose them. Now close this window and open up Macro Output folder. And all of my files are converted to mono. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.